electrical engineering.
Vallabhgarh, what is your
Sir, this is my...
correspondence address?
Yes, sir.
So you are putting up at Vallabhgarh right now.
No, sir. There sometimes is problem about the post in my village. Post didn't come to my house, so that's why.
Okay, you are from Sonipat, right?
Yes, sir.
And then, so if the postal problem is there, so you
Not all the time, sometimes. And sir, I think this is the important thing for me. So that's why I put, I don't want to take risk for anything.
Okay. So obviously pin code, what is pin code by the way? Why we need a pin code? And what is pin code by the way?
Sir, pin code, sir, I think for differentiation.
What is the full form of pin code?
Sir, I don't.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. Postal index number.
Postal index. Thank you, sir.
That is PIN, right? Now, so why is Sonipat famous for?
Sonipat, sir, famous Murthal Dhaba, if you ever heard. And
It is not in Sonipat.
sir, it's in Sonipat.
Way before Sonipat, yeah.
Inside
Murthal, na? It is there in Murthal, na? Murthal is,
Sonipat, you are asking about Sonipat city.
yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Okay,
Why
sir.
is Sonipat famous for?
Sonipat, sir, if we go in the history,
Okay.
sir, it's an demand by the Pandavas from the Swarnprasth name. So that's why it's famous if we go in the history. And
So the Pandava demanded Swarnprasth.
yes, sir, 5 prasth they demands, and one of these Swarnprasth.
5 villages they were demanding, one was Swarnprasth.
Yes, sir, and this
Right?
is
So that's why Sonipat.
yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good information. It's nice to hear that.
Yes.
What else?
Sir, sports.
So what there is sports?
Sir, sports in Sonipat. Sir, basically Sonipat is famous for Atlas bicycle also.
Yeah, that's what I was dying to hear. That.
Yes, sir. Now they closed.
They have closed it now.
Yes, sir.
Atlas Cycle.
Yes, sir.
Is closed now.
Yes, sir.
So what other thing the Sonipat is famous for?
Sonipat, sir.
A lot many sports personality have been from Sonipat.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, Sonipat has been in news in recent time.
Recent time, sir. Sir, because of election.
Because of election.
Yes, sir.
You have got the UPSC topper from Sonipat, and you don't remember this.
Sir, yeah.
You are appearing in an exam.
Yes, sir.
The topper of this year's civil service is from Sonipat.
Yes, I know, sir. I am not expecting you are going this way.
Okay, don't worry. So give me your expectation. Please.
Sir, I was thinking like you are asking some industries or
Come
kind
on,
of things.
go for the industries.
Sir, basically for Atlas that I told you already.
It's over now. Leave that address.
And sir, Murthal, I will tell. Sir.
What other industries are coming up in Sonipat?
Sonipat, sir, rail coach factory is rail coach factory.
Yes. Then
And sir, in Gannur itself, international horticulture market.
international
Horticulture.
horticulture market.
Yes, sir. And sir, Badi industrial area now it's developing, and it's on.
Yes, special economic zone has been.
Yes, sir, and they gave what we call it NOC for the whole Sonipat. That now industry can be set up there.
So obviously your land will be very costly now. Has become very costly. So good for you.
Sir, we don't have that much land.
Nobody in Haryana now have that much land. They have already sold everything.
No, sir.
So this is the main problem. Anyways, coming back to you, what is your hobbies, Peter?
Sir, my hobbies are playing basketball, cricket, volleyball, and running.
Give me 5 basketball champions and be a 5 basketball player. 5 basketball player.
Player.
Not a single, not Michael Jordan only.
Okay, sir. LeBron James,
Yes.
Kobe Bryant.
What?
Kobe Bryant. Recently she passed.
Bryant is there.
Yes, sir. Okay, and Kevin Durant.
Durant.
Yes, sir. And Steph Curry. And sir, you already put name Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan
And sir, Anthony Davis.
One more you are missing. A very towering personality. He died of cancer.
And
Who was that basketball player?
Sorry.
Have you heard about Magic Johnson?
Yes, sir. He is a good passer.
Right. Now, so basketball. Apart from basketball, what other hobby you have?
Sir, playing cricket, running.
Okay, what is the core dimension of basketball and what is the height of the basket?
Basket is on 10 feet
Okay.
and the dimension are 15 and 30 meter.
Okay.
15 in the width.
Length and
Length is 30 and width is
15 is the
Yes, sir.
15 30.
yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What the other hobby is?
Sir, cricket, volleyball, running.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you play cricket?
Sir, now in Corona time it's little difficult.
Okay. What is switch it?
Switch it, sir. Can I do it? Sir, if you switch on the other direction, so that is called switch it.
Switch it.
And
What is the minimum over criteria for Duckworth-Lewis?
Duckworth-Lewis. Sir,
We play it to be called legal game.
yes, sir.
Valid game.
In ODI is 20 over and in T20 it's 6 over minimum.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
So what is SIA? SAI, not SIA. SAI.
Sports Authority of India.
Nine. Special Application Internet.
Sir,
You haven't heard about this?
no, sir.
Okay. What is Red Data Book?
Red Data Book, sir. It's
And who issues it?
IUCN gives this Red Data Books. It's about the threatened species.
Threatened. What is the difference between threatened and endangered?
Endangered, sir. Threatened are like they're unavailable about 10,000. They are about 10,000 and endangered is about 250. And there also a criteria like in how many days they are going to
What do you
decrease.
mean by cryogenics?
Cryogenic engine. Yes, sir. Cryogenic technology recently we using
What is that?
cryogenic, sir. Sorry, sir.
Don't know.
Sir, I know, but I am not able to exact recall.
Okay. Now, what is CRAR?
What, sir?
CRAR.
CRAR. No, sir. I don't.
Don't know.
No, sir.
Okay. What is population dividend?
Population dividend. Sir, like we are as a very young country, and when this is utilized,
How young we are?
young in the sense like our majority of population is below, it's a working population.
So what is the working population? What is the age group that is being given?
It's between I think 18 to 55.
Is it so? Or 15 to 59?
Yes, sir, you are right.
And
It's-
so,
So, sir, that's if we get a.
so why have we have not been able to use this population dividend till now?
Sir, because lack of jobs. If we able to use, then I think we will.
Lack of jobs
Yes, sir.
or lack of skills?
Skills, sir. I
Do
think,
we have skill enough to get a job?
sir, skill. There is problem in this area also, but skill I don't think that the major problem.
Skill is the major problem. We lack skill. A
Yes,
person who is having an engineering degree,
yes, sir.
is he a competent engineer? He is not. It's so simple. If you ask him to manufacture a certain thing, he won't be able because he don't know. This is the set of study we are having.
No, sir.
So we are just engineer for the sake of being called an engineer.
No, sir, some percentage you may say, but I don't think all the.
90% are so. Only 10% produced by IIT and other institutions are efficient engineers. Even you know it well.
Sir,
Because
90.
they don't have good teachers. They don't give the facility. They don't go for political maneuvers and everything.
There are problems, sir, but I don't think it's about 90 or
90% of the engineers produced. It's not my report. It's skill development of India's report. 90% of the engineers produced are useless.
Okay, Tyagi. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me, you have prepared for CDS twice
CDS. Yes, sir.
and you have gone to interview also.
Yes, sir.
What was the reason for failure?
Sir, I think my little lack of confidence, sir, and communication
You
skill.
went for a screening out or
Screen out.
conference out?
Screen out, sir.
Both the times.
Yes, sir.
So no verbal, non-verbal test, PPDT,
What, sir?
verbal, non-verbal reasoning test,
Yes, sir.
PPDT.
Yes, sir.
These are the only tests, na?
Yes, sir.
In the first day,
Yes, sir.
and you couldn't clear both the times.
No, sir.
So your written was okay, but your interview you could not clear the first stage itself, right? The CDS you couldn't clear the first stage.
Sir, I thought that this is.
CDS first stage was PPDT, you could not clear both the times,
Yes, sir.
correct? So have you improved from then?
Sir, I think I have
What
improved.
was the reason in PPDT? What did you feel wrong in PPDT, in your weakness?
Wrong, sir. I think I have little lack of communication skill and confidence, sir.
Confidence is a subjective term, but writing skill, communication skill also is, first of all, speaking about your own story, then argumenting your story, then emerging as a leader, and then producing it back to the examiner. These are the part of the PPDT,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So in this, where did you lag in writing or your self-speaking or in group discussion?
No, sir. Writing was fine, but I think when we,
Was your story okay? Imagination and perception is okay.
as I think, sir, that's was okay. But problem,
Who will tell you? How will you come to know?
sir, I think that, sir. Sir, I think problem was when we are discussing. I didn't participate that much.
In the discussion.
Sir, after that we have to discuss. We have to made a story out of all. So I think I didn't
You did not
participate.
take part in NCC, etc.
NSS I participated and NCC. No.
When was the NSS originated and what is its role?
Sir, NSS was originated in 1969, and its role to orient a student for the community welfare.
What are the other two government-sponsored youth organization in India?
Government organization, sports.
Government-sponsored youth organizations in India.
Youth organization. Sir, NCC itself.
Okay. And
And-
third, have you heard of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan?
Navyuk.
Yes.
Sir, I have heard, but I don't
Not
know.
aware. Did you do Republic Day camp for NSS?
Yes, sir.
They come here to march on the Rajpath. You are aware?
Yes, sir.
NSS cadets come here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Did you take part in that?
No,
activity
no.
of NSS camp?
Yes, sir. I participated in NSS camp when I was
What is
in
the motto of NSS?
motto, sir. Not me, for you. I think, sir.
Are you sure? What is the emblem? Emblem कैसा है उसका?
Sir, it's Ashok. Sorry, sir. It's from the Konark temples.
Okay.
Wheel.
Tell me,
Konark.
you are a electrical engineer.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
On a simple bulb,
Yes, sir.
what are the things written on the simple bulb?
Sir.
Technically.
It's watt, about resistance, ampere.
रेजिस्टेंस क्या लिखा होता है बताइए? ओम.
Yes, sir.
कितना ओम का बल्ब है ये लिखा होता है उस पे?
So I think.
Okay, tell me again. You told about what? Resistance. Then third,
Ampere capacities can we use for.
एम्पियर. जरा बताना कितने एम्पियर का बल्ब है, कैसे, कहाँ पे लिखा होता है कितने एम्पियर का बल्ब है? आज तक तो मुझे लगता नहीं कोई एम्पियर मैंने पढ़ा हो बल्ब पे कि कितने एम्पियर का बल्ब है। मार्केट में जाके क्या बोलते हो, इतने एम्पियर का बल्ब दे दो।
नो सर, वोट बोलते हैं ना सर,
हाँ?
वी कॉल।
तो क्या एम्पियर भी और कैपेसिटी भी लिखा होता है बल्ब पे भी? कौन जानेगा आर्ट्स का स्टूडेंट एम्पियर क्या होता है? व्हाई शुड ही रीड इट हियर?
So
What is the difference between ampere and watt?
ampere, sir, it's the what we call, it's the SI unit of current, and the volt is the SI unit of voltage.
So what is this concerned with? We need voltage measurement or current measurement?
Yes sir.
We need voltage measurement obviously in terms in bulb, right? So that's why what is
In the term,
stabilizer you measure current. That's why ampere is mentioned in stabilizer. Are you getting me?
Yes,
So we never write ampere on this bulb. Are you getting me?
yes
चलो ये एसी के 3 पार्ट बता दो।
sir, fan, and sir condenser, and sir filter.
व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एसी? कैसे एयर
Condenser. What about the compressor?
कंडेंसर तो ठीक है,
कंडेंसर तो सब में होता है भाई, इसमें भी है देखा तो है।
क्या कैसे
What
चलता
about the
क्या
compressor?
चलता क्या है फ्रिज? फ्रिज किस प्रिंसिपल पे चलता है? कौन सा इक्विपमेंट है जो स्टार्ट करता है काम वहाँ?
Sir, mainly sir compressor.
तो ये इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर हो भाई, आप ही से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था मैं आप ही की भाषा में। इसके जरा फ्रीक्वेंसी बता दो।
किसकी सर? फोन की?
हाँ, कितने फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम कर रहा है ये?
Sir,
टावर से
I don't.
कितने फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आप मुझे सुन रहे हो ये बता दो।
Sir, we as a human we can hear in between 20 to 20,000.
20 to 30,000.
20 to 20,000 hertz.
20 to 20,000 watt
Hertz.
hours.
तो ये इसको क्यों नहीं पता? आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर हो। विबजियो सुना? विबजियो रेनबो कलर्स, विबजियोस वायलेट।
Yes sir, yes sir. Colors, yes.
विबजियो सुना है ना?
Yes.
7 कलर्स।
Yes sir, yes sir.
उसमें सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी किस कलर की होगी?
Sir, frequency red one.
फ्रीक्वेंसी रेड की सबसे ज्यादा होगी।
Yes sir.
वेवलेंथ वर्सेस फ्रीक्वेंसी फार्मूला पता है?
Wavelength. Yes, वो.
C = n लैम्डा।
Yes sir.
सुना है ना?
Yes sir.
तो C फ्रीक्वेंसी और लैम्डा वेवलेंथ है। ट्रैफिक लाइट रेड क्यों होती है?
Oh sir, sorry sir.
अब देखो, इन्वॉल्व प्रैक्टिकल इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, ये फील्ड में काम करना है आपको CISF में जाके,
Yes sir.
है ना? वहाँ तो थोड़ी कोई मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर पूछेगा,
नहीं sir.
है ना? डियो गार्सिया कहाँ पे?
Sorry.
डियो गार्सिया आइलैंड है इंडियन ओशन में।
Dio Garcia.
हाँ, किधर है?
Sir.
क्या करता है? किसका आइलैंड है ये? किस देश का आइलैंड है?
Sir, UK, I think.
ओके, फ्रांस हैज एनी आइलैंड इन इंडियन ओशन?
Yes sir, है.
वेयर? व्हाट आइलैंड?
It's near Madagascar.
Which is the port which is being developed in the African countries by China,
African
which
country.
is concerning the Indian, of course,
Yes sir.
or in Pakistan,
Pakistan in.
in Myanmar, in Bangladesh, in Sri Lanka. Are you concerned about China's threat presently for India?
Yes sir.
You are concerned? You are
Yes.
a security officer going to be after some time in national, CRPF branch.
Yes sir.
So are you concerned about China?
Yes sir.
Is China doing something like this?
Yes sir.
Is developing all the ports?
Yes sir. In Indian Ocean is.
So what are these ports?
Sir,
एक पोर्ट का नाम बता दो, 5 कंट्री बता दिया हमने।
Karachi itself sir.
नो भैया, कराची तो अपना पोर्ट है उनका, ठीक है? If North Eastern countries, states are disconnected because of some problem
Yes sir.
from India, how will we reach North East countries to supply them our logistics and connectivity? Is there any country helping? Is there any plan of India and any
Yes.
other country?
Yes sir. We through Bangladesh we are supplying.
What is the plan? How is it being planned?
So through Kolkata ports, and in the Bangladesh it's from Chittagong port, then through the rivers sir.
No, we don't have the clear concept and knowledge of it. What is Sagar Setu project?
Sagar Setu sir, it's about the ports development.
पता है पूरी बात नहीं?
So, So
पता होना चाहिए और हाँ? सागरमाला क्या है?
yes, sir. Developing the ports is Sagarmala.
ऑपरेशन सागर क्या होता?
Operation?
सागर
Yes, sir.
हम्म?
I don't know. Sir.
नहीं मालूम। क्वाड क्वाड क्या है? क्वाड
Quad, sir, it's a group formation for Asia Pacific, and India, Australia, Japan, and US are in this.
थोड़ा लॉडर बोलो यार, बस धीरे बोलो, जोर से बोलो थोड़ा।
It's the group formed for the Asia Pacific, and India, Australia, Japan, and US are in.
What is the full form of Quad?
Asia Pacific.
At what level will you rise as a CRPF officer in your branch? What is the highest post that you can reach as in present policy?
Right.
Which you are opting for CISF?
Yes, sir.
What rank will you rise? You are joining a service without knowing portfolio and aspirations?
Sir,
Are you motivated to the service or you just joining for sake of it? Where will you rise? At what
No.
post will you retire in present policy?
sir, I think about deputy commander.
Who is DG of CISF? Present DG of CISF. And he is from this cadre of Indian service.
Sir, I forgot.
Who is the bad teacher in your life?
What, sir?
Bad teacher.
Bad teacher?
Bad teacher. जो अच्छे नहीं लगे आपको teacher.
Sir,
Baddest one.
no, sir. I think all were good,
All are good.
sir.
Between your father and mother, who groomed you better, or whose personality you like more, which helped you in bringing you here?
Sir, though both have different role, sir. So I can't differentiate.
You have a girlfriend?
No, sir.
Are you likely to have?
Sir, if, sir,
Answer my question.
sir, for girlfriend.
Is it a very dirty thing to have?
No, sir.
So please give your opinion. Do you have a girlfriend? No. Would you like to have?
Sir, I think, sir, that's distract me. So that's why I'm not.
That? Yeah.
Little distract me.
Distracts you.
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling you in future. I'm not saying now today. I didn't say you
They
said
are
no.
not
I'm
forcing you to go and just
I said don't go
downstairs
upstairs.
and catch a girl and make her your girlfriend.
Okay, between the love marriage and the arranged marriage, what is your opinion? Which is better suited?
I go for love marriage, but if family also want me to do that will be okay.
अब थोड़ा घबराए हो इन चीजों में, बहुत ही घबरा रहे हो, सबका साथ ही हो रहा है, तो आप क्या ठीक है, चलो ओके।
Thank you, sir.